And just a quick unboxing of the 1/1000 scale Bird of Prey from Polar Lights. Some good box art. I don't know if it's of the built kit or if that's a CGI that they did in. Now, of course, the picture on the back is a built-up model. Let's take a look inside. Not brimming with stuff, but we got one bag. Let's put that aside and move that out of the way. There we go. And two bags. Three bags. So I think there's a total of 3 sprues. Oh, there we go. Instructions and decals, which are quite nice compared to the old reissue. Take a look at the instructions. And oh my god, you can't get simpler than that. I really like it, actually. And the back just shows you the decal placement. This is actually a particularly good kit for beginners, because you can knock it out super easy and have a good looking kit when you're done. 2 hull halves, good detail on it. Although, did it have raised windows? I can't recall. Bottom, we got just a little bit of contouring. The Bussard collectors or engine caps or whatever you want to call them. So that's 1 sprue, little sprue. And then the second sprue is the engines and the wing and the main weapon. Good molding on it. Not a lot of flash, except on that tail fin, we'll call it. The support pylons, pretty straightforward. Not much to say there. Standard dome base. I really like the dome bases. And this is interesting. They went to the different mounting and put it all back in the box because I'm behind schedule and doing this voiceover. And you should buy this model. It's really good, and I really like it.